When Dan did a heat loss calculation on our plans and recommended a system, he also said, I don't think your heating bills are going to be any more than $50 a month. He said that if I was willing to buy the extra sub panel and the extra electric meter, that he would put that in between his heat pump and my regular service, and then that way we could monitor how much electricity the heat pump was using. He said if it was more than $50 a month, that he'd pay the difference. I monitored for about a year, maybe 18 months, and never went above $32 a month. So
no, I never had to use a warranty on my system. Never. They did it, like I said, they did a good job when they installed it.
You know, it's just absolutely, guaranteed, and it feels like, Sunteq stands behind its products and will do whatever is necessary.
I never had to use the warranty. So I wish I could say it was a great warranty, but I guess you have a great product, so you didn't really need a warranty. That's the truth.
I'm retired now, and I go on hunting trips out west, anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks in length, and I do not have to worry about my heating system. It runs efficiently, and my wife can feel safe to be at home with it.
Our animals love to sleep on the floors because they're heated with the radiant hot water distributed by the heat pump. And so our cats and our dog, instead of constantly jumping up on our couches and beds to go to sleep, can sleep very comfortably and beautifully on the floor. And so that's an added feature.
My dad was one of the people that put me in contact with Dan Woodring and Sunteq, and that was 1995, I believe, maybe 94, and as a result, a lot of people started using Sunteq up in this neighborhood. There must be half a dozen at least installs just in our neighborhood that Sunteq has done.
I don't know how they can improve it. It's a great system. And I don't know, I have no problem with it. None whatsoever. Like I say, that, it's been great.
I really truly believe that if anybody is building a house and they talk to him before they do it, I would imagine that he'd have like 90% sales. Because I don't know why anybody would not want to put a geothermal heat pump system.
Well, he gave me a very definite quote. The other companies wouldn't. Saying, well, like one said, well, it could be between 10 and 16,000. Well, who's going to buy something that there's a $6,000 difference, And I couldn't pin him down, but Dan gave me a very estimated list of what it was going to cost, and he was pretty close.
And what I like about the system is the idea of being turn one button, I have heating on one side, switch the button over, and I have cooling. It's a nice, clean, and efficient heat.
I wouldn't trade it for anything.
And I just decided it was time to treat myself to a heating system that wasn't as demanding on me as wood was. And I also spent most of my winters within 10 feet of the wood stove. And I felt that it was time for me to be able to move around and feel warm in the house. So I really felt that I paid my dues and that I was going to treat myself to a really wonderful heating system that gave even heat so that I could move away from the wood stove every now and then and wander the house and feel warm wherever I went. And when I got home, the house would be warm and not cold.
This system is, marvelous. You can't ask for any better, system.
These homeowners have discovered the simple, virtually maintenance-free comfort of Sunteq geothermal heating systems. So whatever your income or lifestyle, whether you live in a mansion or just a glorified doghouse, whether you already have an existing home or are planning to build in the near future, there is finally a compromise-free heating system that you can depend on. With more than 25 years in the heat pump business, Sunteq has developed proprietary design, manufacturing, and installation methods to customize your specific system to your specific home. What results is a level of energy savings virtually unparalleled in the industry. But don't just take our word for it. We back up our system and our energy savings predictions with a solid warranty. During these times of economic and energy cost fluctuation, the steady, solid energy savings you can build into your home is an investment worth the effort. Visit our website at www.geothermalheatpump.com and contact us today.